Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, it's almost here. The design of budget Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36 revealed, which will receive 6 years of updates. We expect the announcement in March this year. According to rumors, the budget models will be presented together, with the sub-flagship Galaxy A56 5G model. Let's dive into the detailed video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Insiders have shared a series of renders showing the upcoming budget smartphones, Samsung Galaxy A26 and Galaxy A36. They will be released together with the sub-flagship Galaxy A56 in March this year. The Galaxy A26, like the Galaxy A56, will receive a redesigned camera block. Instead of 3 lenses sticking out separately from the body, the sensors are located in a neat oval module. However, the Korean company still hasn't abandoned the chin at the bottom and the outdated central hole for the front camera. The Samsung Galaxy A36 is more modern in terms of design. It does not have a teardrop-shaped cutout, and the frames around the display are almost symmetrical, but with a slightly enlarged chin. In terms of hardware, according to the leak, the Galaxy A36 will receive a 6.6-inch FHD Plus OLED screen at 120Hz refresh rate, an 8-core Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 5000 mAh battery with fast 45-watt wired charging. Among other things, both the Galaxy A26 and Galaxy A36 are expected to receive updates for 6 years. If this information is confirmed, the devices will be updated until 2031, when Android 21 is released. Previously, the Galaxy A series received 4 years of system updates and 5 years of security updates. A study conducted by analysts showed that the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G was the best-selling Android smartphone in 2024. This is a budget model that offers an AMOLED screen with a full HD Plus resolution and 5 years of security support. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.